us here in the Battle Gamers 2013 tour. We're just outside of St. Lambert-sur-Dives, where the Canadian forces helped to close the Falaise pocket. Behind me is St. Lambert to the southeast, and that is where Major Currie won the Victoria Cross for his inspired leadership. Let's take a look around here, 1 second. So the Germans were coming from this direction to try to get into St. Lambert and to point south to break out of the pocket. We're looking at St. Lambert, where Major David Currie of the South Alberta Regiment was awarded the Victoria Cross for his inspired leadership while commanding the battle group at St. Lambert. Major Currie stands to the left in this picture holding a pistol, and the Victoria Cross is the highest decoration in the British Commonwealth. In the distance is Mount Ormel, where the Polish occupied the position called base at the final point of the gap. And the Americans were further south at Chambois and Moisy, doing their part to close the gap. And on the night of August 19th to 20th, the enemy concentrated to try and break out. The gap was finally closed on the 21st of August 1944, and as a side note, that's my birthday, 1968. Rob Bottas, Band of Gamers Tour, 2013, St. Lambert-sur-Dives, France.